Hello, welcome to Auto Critic USA. Today, we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping custom builds we've ever seen, a futuristic, heavily modified Ford Mustang, reimagined for extreme off-road adventures. This isn't your everyday muscle car. It's an all-terrain beast, wrapped in matte green with black accents and yellow highlights, captured under flawless studio lighting. The result, a machine that looks like it drove straight out of a sci-fi action film. Let's start with the design. The iconic Mustang silhouette is still recognizable, but with a dramatically aggressive wide-body kit that transforms its entire presence. The flared fenders, sculpted side panels, and bold lines give the car a muscular, armored feel. The matte green paint adds a tactical vibe, while yellow highlights on the custom bumper and black accents provide that perfect contrast to turn heads. From the front, the Mustang looks absolutely menacing. A matte black grille sits between razor-sharp LED headlights and futuristic daytime running lights (DRLs). Below that, the custom front bumper features integrated LED light bars that not only enhance the look but are built for practical off-road visibility. Every element feels purposeful and high-tech, reinforcing its rugged yet luxurious identity. Move to the side and things get even better. The Mustang rides on oversized off-road tires with deep treads, perfect for crushing dirt trails or rocky terrain. These wrap around custom alloy wheels with a bold, sporty design. The ground clearance has been massively increased, giving it a lifted, dominant stance. Tinted windows and sharply defined body lines complete the futuristic, tactical aesthetic. Around the back, the modifications continue. Sleek smoked LED taillights give it a stealthy edge, while a bold rear bumper with integrated lighting elements and a custom diffuser suggests serious performance under the hood. Dual exhausts hint at raw power, while the tinted rear glass and blacked-out trim finish off the design with elegance and aggression. While we haven't taken a full peek inside, judging by the exterior design, you can expect a high-tech, rugged luxury cabin inside, likely with digital instrument clusters, touchscreen controls, sporty seats, and premium materials designed to match its futuristic feel. This isn't just a Mustang. This is a statement. It blends the muscle car legacy with an apocalyptic off-road fantasy, offering unmatched presence whether you're on a city street or scaling a desert dune. It's wild, bold, and built for those who don't follow roads, they create their own. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the futuristic off-road Mustang, make sure to like, drop a comment, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel for more insane builds, reviews, and automotive content. This is just the beginning. See you on the next ride.